Are you struggling to track and optimize your meta ads? Inaccurate tracking and wasted spend can seriously hurt your results. That's why we built Pixie, Multi-Pixel, and Meta Ads, your all-in-one toolkit to manage and optimize ads across Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. With Pixie, you can easily connect all your pixels, sync your product feeds for dynamic ads, and track every event with accuracy using Conversion API. Plus, our AI-powered diagnostic tool automatically analyzes your campaigns and gives you actionable recommendations so you can improve performance fast. Pixie even helps you stay GDPR compliant with a built-in consent banner. If you're ready to simplify your ad tracking, fix costly blind spots, and boost ROI, Pixie makes it easy. No coding required, and a free plan is available. Get started today.